Hi everybody. So this week I'm going to talk about something that's a little difficult for me, maybe even a little embarrassing. But one of the things that us as women, we don't talk about is hair loss. And since I've been going through this, now, I mean, I have fine hair, and but I used to have a lot more of it. When I had my first baby, I noticed I thinned out some, but also I noticed in the last few years, maybe even a little bit longer, I have really kind of thinned out on top. A company called UniWigs reached out to me and asked me to try out a product that they have. And I was so hesitant. I mean, I love trying out new products. You know that I do. But she reached out to me about this product. This is, well, it came to me 5.5 by 5.5. Now, obviously, it's not that long anymore. I had to layer it up, cut it up, thin it up for it to go with my hairstyle. I sort of have a short kind of shag going on. And so, I have to say I got it home, and I was immediately impressed by the quality. This is a human hair topper. I put it on after I cut it for my husband. He didn't know. He did look at me, and later he told me he thought he didn't know what was different. He thought I colored my hair or something. So he didn't get it. And that's how natural and nice this is. It's beautiful. And so I wanted to show you the underneath. This is, it's just nice and has 4 clips, but it comes with extra clips, and it just, I feel secure when I put it on, and I'll put it back on. It's gonna be a little messy this time around, but it's got 4 clips. It comes sewn in, but then it comes with extra clips. If you feel like you wanna sew some more in, you can do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put it back on.